There is a drug dealer living in your brain, and he is feeding you cheap dopamine every time you open social media. Today, we will teach you how to outsmart him. Your brain is feasting on digital candy, so when you try to study, it feels like chewing on rocks. But you can change your taste buds. Here is the science of how. You have been hacked. Your attention span didn't just disappear, it was stolen. Your phone is not a tool anymore. It is a slot machine in your pocket, engineered to keep you pulling the lever. Every notification, every swipe, every short video delivers a spike of cheap dopamine. It is a chemical flood. Your brain loves the candy of social media. It hates the dry broccoli of studying. This is the dopamine gap. When your brain gets used to high-speed rewards, slow rewards feel like pain. Studying is slow. It requires effort before the reward. The payoff is delayed. So when you try to focus, your internal chemistry throws a tantrum. It demands the quick fix. But you can rewire this system. You don't need more willpower. You need a biological reset. Phase 1, the reset. We need to lower your tolerance. You need to reintroduce your brain to boredom. 15 minutes a day of absolute nothingness. It will feel terrible. The craving will kick in. That is the withdrawal leaving your system. By removing the constant noise, you lower your dopamine baseline. Suddenly, normal things start to feel interesting again. A walk outside, a conversation, even a book. Phase 2, the upgrade. Now we make studying feel like a game. You must attach immediate rewards to the effort. Don't just read. Hunt for XP. Break the chapter into tiny missions. Every completed section gets a checkmark. That checkmark is a microdose of dopamine. Use the clock as a challenge. Can you stay perfectly still and focused for 25 minutes? When you turn focus into a high-score challenge, the distraction loses its power. Trick your brain by teaching. Read to explain, not just to remember. Mastery feels good. Engage your senses. Use color. Draw maps. Make the physical act of studying stimulating. Finally, the curiosity hack. Stop trying to memorize facts. Start trying to solve mysteries. When you genuinely ask why, the answer becomes a reward, not a chore. You can be an addict for success just as easily as you are an addict for scrolling. Train the monkey to like the books. Don't wait for motivation. Reset your baseline today. Your brain is a supercomputer. Stop using it to watch cat videos.